Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead online with friends. Cuphead, a fantastic run-and-gun game, doesn't natively support online multiplayer. However, with the right tools, you can easily team up with your buddies. We'll focus on using a popular third-party application called Parsec, which allows you to stream your game to friends and play together as if you were in the same room. It's a straightforward process to get started. To begin, you'll need to download and install the Parsec application on your computer. It's available for free from their official website. Once installed, create a free Parsec account and log in. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience, especially when streaming high-action games like Cuphead. Ensure your network is optimized before starting your gaming session. First, launch Cuphead on your computer as you normally would. Then, open the Parsec application and select the host option to begin sharing your screen. You can invite your friends by sending them a direct invitation using their Parsec usernames or by generating a shareable link. This link allows them to join your game session quickly and easily, preparing for cooperative action. Once your friend sends an invitation, simply accept it within the Parsec application. Parsec will then stream the host's Cuphead game directly to your screen, allowing you to see and interact with it. To play as the second character, you will need a compatible game controller connected to your computer. This setup ensures both players can enjoy the challenging levels together seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.